When I got this internship, I was a sophomore. To me, I'm thinking I'm just a sophomore. I have no experience. I didn't know what to expect.
I thought I would be doing a lot of filing, copying, the basic administrative tasks.
An internship allows you to gain experience. It's an opportunity to take the skills and knowledge that you've learned from the classroom and put it into real life.
Who can actually do the work? Who can actually do the job? Have you been in certain situations? The experience is what I think a lot of employers look at.
And you really don't know if you want to do what you want to do until you're out in the field doing it.
I think we all kind of have this general notion when we're younger of what we want to do, but we really don't have an understanding of what that actually means. Learning that as you go and really experiencing it is crucial to determining what you want to spend your life doing.
I would have never had this opportunity without Mount St. Mary's.
There's always a friendly face there, and they're willing to help you in any way possible.
I think the Mount does a very good job.
The Career Center really helped me writing essays, building my resume.
The Mount culture is just helping one another.
I was able to get a lot more experience and exposure than I originally thought.
Real applications, real lives, real impacts, real work. It was wow, it's amazing, yeah.